Hola, bienvenido a mi canal. Suscribirte y dar like si os gusta el video. Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and press like if you like it.
Welcome to another video for the GESE 6. We are going to look at some grammar with the topic of fashion. So today we are going to look at the past continuous. Okay, so the first rule that we're going to look at is that you describe past actions. You describe past actions over a period of time. Okay, and we should also mention that the past continuous is formed by the subject plus was or were plus a verb that finishes with ing. Okay, so let's look at an example. So here's an example. What were you wearing at the wedding? What were you wearing at the wedding? So that's a question that somebody might ask you. And maybe you could say something like this. I was wearing a designer label. I was wearing a designer label. Dress. From Prada. So, what were you wearing at the wedding? I was wearing a designer label dress from Prada. So let's find the past continuous. So we have were you wearing, and we have was wearing. Okay, so one moment. Okay, so let's look at another example. For that, we're going to go ahead and erase this. Okay, there we go. So, on our second example, maybe we can ask, what clothes were you buying? What clothes were you buying at the outlet? At the outlet. What clothes were you buying at the outlet? And maybe we could answer like this. I was buying some name brand clothes. Some name brand clothes for example, from Nike and Puma. From Nike and Puma. So what clothes were you buying at the outlet? I was buying some name brand clothes. For example, Nike and Puma. So let's look at where our past continuous is. Were you buying? I was buying. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and erase this because now we're going to look at a different rule. All right, let's make that a little bigger because otherwise we're going to be erasing for a while. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's look at the second rule, rule number 2. So you can use the past continuous. You can use the past continuous with the past simple, with the past simple, to show actions, that were interrupted. Okay, so you can use the past continuous with the past simple to show actions that were interrupted. So something that you were doing and had to stop because of something else that happened. Okay, so let's look at the first example. The tailor was making the suit when he realized he had the wrong material. So the tailor was making the suit when he realized he had the wrong material. Was making is the past continuous, but it's also important that you understand that when will bring the present simple afterwards. So, past continuous plus when plus past simple. Okay, so here's our past simple. So was making is the past continuous. Then we have the keyword. This is a keyword, when, and it is followed by realized, which is the past simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and erase that, and we'll put another example. Okay, so for our next example, the model was putting was putting on the next outfit. The model was putting on the next outfit for the catwalk. For the catwalk when the zipper broke. When the zipper broke. Okay, so let's look. The model was putting on the next outfit for the catwalk when the zipper broke. So when is our keyword? Was putting is our past continuous. So past continuous plus when plus broke, which is our past simple. Okay, well, that is all for today about the past continuous and how you can use it with the topic of fashion. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to press like and subscribe, and I hopefully will see you in the next video. Have a nice day and take care. Goodbye.